In October 2016, Tesla wrote a blog post outlining the future of driving. In it, they mentioned that every single vehicle that Tesla built from that point forward would be built with 8 cameras, ultrasonic sensors, and a radar to give the car a complete 360-degree view of its surroundings. The main use case for Tesla's cameras was always to enable full self-driving cars. But over the years, Tesla has continued to make these cameras even more important to the car. Now, a camera in every single direction means that the car can see everything that happens around it. It doesn't even matter if the car is on or off, if there's a driver in the car or not, if it's parked or if it's on the highway. It sees everything. And because it's so easy to share every single video that a Tesla car records, this has become the ultimate free marketing strategy for the company. Tesla's cameras generate tens of millions, maybe even hundreds of millions of impressions every single month. And it's all user-generated content. It's all people uploading the stories of interesting things happening to them. Over the years, they've captured some really amazing things, everything from autopilot maneuvers to near crashes to attempted thefts, all sorts of stuff. So I dug through hundreds of videos to find you the best ones. Check them out. White SUV coming in way too hot. Tries to split the gap here. Nope, can't do that. 3 or 4 car pileup, and the SUV tried to claim that he was not speeding. Of course, the Tesla video proved otherwise. Silver car comes in, hits the black van. The silver car was actually a drunk driver, and the Tesla video confirmed that the silver car was at fault. Tesla's radar is at work here. There's a 3 or 4 car pileup. Tesla detects it and can move safely. See 3 or 4 cars right there all backed up. Tesla could see through the cars. Same here, the radar picks up the car 2 in front without the driver being able to see it, and the car slows down and avoids the crash. Here we got a few doors flying off the back of a pickup truck. This just would be totally impossible to explain to insurance if you didn't have video proof backing it up. Here we got a car going through 2 yellow lines, tries to cut back in and hits the Tesla. You can see how far it goes. Look at this, off to the side, it just hits it almost off the road. Turns out the cops found the guy and arrested him shortly after. These 2 guys thought it'd be fun to key a Tesla. This guy reaches into his pocket here, pulls out his key, slides it along the side of the door, and they had so much fun doing it the first time that they decide to go back and admire their work, come back down for round 2. Eventually these guys actually went viral. It was all over the news and eventually they turned themselves in, but they had one more shot here and they went in with another door slam right into the side of the Tesla and a little bit more of a key on the side there. Another woman decided to key the side of a Model 3 car. There you can see it. She was actually arrested shortly after because of this video. There's a close-up and you can see her key the side of the car all the way up. This guy decided to think twice. He's about to steal something from one of the cars, sees the light go off, and then takes a peek inside to see that the car is recording him and decides to walk back. Probably a good idea. This guy hits the side of a Model 3 or 4 times, decides to close his door, take a look around, and then eventually as he gets out, he decides that he's not going to do anything about it, he's just going to leave. Too bad his face and his license plate were caught on camera. This construction crew hits the side of a Model 3 and denies doing anything. Eventually the owner comes back out and talks to the crew. They continue to deny that they hit the car until they're shown the video of the truck with the license plate hitting the Model 3. This guy's car got dented up. He said it was about $1,000 to fix, but luckily he had the owner's license plate and video proof, so none of that came out of his insurance. These two know they're being watched by Sentry Mode, giving it a wave and a thumbs up. This little guy is getting his first look at a Tesla, getting a lift from Dad, walking around to the front of the car. And then this lady knows the rules of the Tesla. No gas allowed in these cars, waving away a fart before she gets in. Now, if those videos don't convince you that your next car should be a Tesla, I don't know what will. So go share this video with all your friends who are on the fence about going fully electric, and once they finally decide they want to buy a Tesla, check the link in my description. You'll get 1,000 miles of free supercharging for your new Tesla.